Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun, is a world of extremes. Its surface is a stark, barren landscape, pockmarked with craters and devoid of any atmosphere to shield it from the Sun's relentless assault. It's a place where the Sun dominates the sky, scorching the surface with unrelenting fury. The lack of atmosphere means there's no buffer, no protection from the Sun's intense rays. Imagine, if you will, standing on this unforgiving world, exposed to its full wrath. The ground beneath your feet would be blistering hot, and the air, if there were any, would be suffocatingly dry. In just 7 seconds, you would experience the true meaning of a living hell. The heat would be so intense it would feel like standing inside a furnace. Let's embark on this hypothetical journey. Picture yourself descending towards Mercury's surface, the Sun growing ever larger and more menacing in the sky. As you stand on Mercury's surface, the first thing that hits you is the unimaginable heat. It's an all-encompassing, oppressive force that seems to crush you under its weight. The Sun, a blazing inferno in the sky, bombards you with intense radiation. Solar flares and bursts of energy constantly erupt, adding to the already extreme conditions. The temperature soars to a staggering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead and turn sand to glass. The ground itself seems to shimmer and warp under the intense heat. Your spacesuit, designed to withstand the harshest conditions, would be no match for Mercury's fury. The outer layers would begin to degrade almost immediately. The intense heat would begin to melt the suit's exterior, the visor warping and bubbling under the extreme temperatures. The once sturdy material would become soft and pliable. Inside, you would feel the searing pain as the heat penetrated your protective layers. The agony would be unbearable, a testament to the sheer power of Mercury's merciless environment. As if the unbearable heat wasn't enough, Mercury has another deadly surprise in store: the near absence of an atmosphere. On Earth, our atmosphere provides us with the air we breathe and protects us from the vacuum of space. Mercury, however, has a very thin atmosphere, almost negligible in its ability to offer any protection. In the second of your 7-second ordeal, you would experience the terrifying sensation of suffocation. The lack of air pressure would cause the air in your lungs to expand rapidly, tearing at your delicate tissues. Your blood would begin to boil, forming bubbles that would obstruct your circulatory system. While you struggle to draw breath in the airless environment, the Sun continues its relentless assault. Mercury's proximity to the Sun and its weak magnetic field mean that it's constantly bombarded by intense solar radiation. This radiation, invisible to the naked eye, carries enough energy to strip electrons from atoms, ionizing them. In the 3rd second, the full force of this radiation would hit you. You would feel an intense burning sensation as the radiation penetrated your skin, damaging your DNA and cells. The radiation would cause severe burns, both internally and externally, and increase your risk of developing cancer in the future. Mercury's lack of a substantial atmosphere to trap heat leads to another extreme, drastic temperature swings. While the side facing the Sun bakes in unimaginable heat, the side facing away experiences frigid temperatures. The difference between day and night temperatures on Mercury is the most extreme in our solar system. As you enter the 4th second of your mercurial nightmare, you would be plunged into an unimaginable chill. The temperature would plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze nitrogen. Your body, already ravaged by heat and radiation, would now have to contend with the extreme cold, your tissues freezing and shattering. Section 5. A Scarred and Silent World. Despite its harsh conditions, Mercury is a fascinating world. Its surface, pockmarked with craters, tells a tale of violent impacts throughout its history. Vast plains of volcanic rock hint at a turbulent past, while towering cliffs speak to the powerful geological forces that shaped this planet. In the 5th second, you would have a moment to glance at your surroundings. The landscape, a stark and unforgiving expanse of grays and blacks, stretches out before you. Craters of all sizes dot the surface, evidence of the countless meteoroids that have slammed into the planet over billions of years. Section 6. A Lighter Step. One interesting aspect of Mercury is its weak gravity. With about 38% of Earth's gravity, you would feel surprisingly light on your feet. If you could survive the heat, lack of atmosphere, and radiation, you would be able to jump much higher and farther than you could on Earth. In the 6th second, as your body succumbs to the combined assault of Mercury's environment, you might experience a fleeting sense of weightlessness. The planet's weak gravity would allow your ravaged body to move with unusual ease, a cruel mockery of the freedom you would never experience. Section 7. The blink of a mercurial day. Mercury's proximity to the Sun also means that it orbits the star at a rapid pace. This rapid orbit is one of the fastest in our solar system, completing a full revolution around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. One day on Mercury from sunrise to sunrise lasts only 59 Earth days. This extended day is due to Mercury's slow rotation on its axis, which is in stark contrast to its rapid orbit. This means that you would experience a complete day-night cycle in less than 2 Earth months. Imagine the Sun lingering in the sky for weeks before finally setting. As you enter the 7th and final second of your hypothetical ordeal, you would witness a spectacular celestial event. The Sun, which has been a constant presence, would start its descent. The Sun, which has been a constant presence in the sky, would begin to set, disappearing below the horizon at an alarmingly fast pace. This rapid sunset is a unique feature of Mercury's swift rotation. The sky would darken, revealing a breathtaking view of the stars and the faint glow of the Milky Way. The night sky on Mercury is a spectacle, with stars shining brightly against the dark canvas of space. Section 8. Unlocking Mercury's secrets. Despite its deadly environment, Mercury holds a certain allure for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This small, rocky planet, the closest to the Sun, presents a harsh and unforgiving landscape, yet it captivates our imagination and curiosity. The extreme temperatures, lack of atmosphere, and intense solar radiation make it a challenging place to study, but these very challenges drive our desire to understand it better. NASA's Messenger mission, which orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015, revealed a wealth of information about this enigmatic planet. The spacecraft meticulously mapped Mercury's surface, analyzed its composition, and studied its magnetic field, providing us with unprecedented insights. The mission confirmed the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters at Mercury's poles, a discovery that surprised many scientists. This finding suggests that even in the most unlikely places, water can exist, potentially offering clues about the distribution of water in our solar system. Messenger also provided valuable data about Mercury's surprisingly large iron core, which makes up about 85% of the planet's radius. This core is much larger than expected for a planet of Mercury's size, prompting scientists to rethink their models of planetary formation. This discovery has implications for our understanding of planetary formation and evolution. It challenges existing theories and opens up new avenues of research into how planets develop their internal structures and magnetic fields. The mission also revealed that Mercury has a weak but dynamic magnetic field, which interacts with the solar wind in unique ways. This interaction creates a complex and fascinating magnetosphere, unlike any other in our solar system. Future missions to Mercury are already being planned, with the goal of further unraveling the planet's mysteries. These missions aim to build on the foundation laid by Messenger, using advanced technology to probe deeper into Mercury's secrets. These missions will build on the discoveries of Messenger, providing us with even more detailed insights into this fascinating and extreme world. High-resolution images and comprehensive data will help us understand Mercury's geology, composition, and magnetic environment in greater detail. While we may never be able to set foot on Mercury without facing certain death, we can continue to explore it from afar, marveling at its beauty and unraveling its secrets. The knowledge we gain from these missions not only enhances our understanding of Mercury, but also enriches our broader comprehension of the solar system. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on space exploration, planetary science, and the latest discoveries from NASA and other space agencies. Stay connected to the cosmos and join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we delve into the mysteries of our solar system and beyond. From the fiery surface of Mercury to the icy moons of the outer planets, there's always something new to discover.